So an uncontested divorce is basically when you and your spouse sit down and come to an agreement, and then you're basically just hiring an attorney to draft that agreement for one of you. The attorney cannot represent both parties because that would be a conflict of interest, but you each hire your own attorneys, and one of them drafts it, one of them reviews it, and then you basically submit the paperwork to the court to get divorced. An uncontested divorce requires that you and your spouse basically agree on all items. If you're unable to agree, then you would have what we call a contested divorce, which is more the typical form of divorce that you would think of, where the other parties serve with that divorce paperwork, and then you exchange financial information, go to mediation, and ultimately if you can't resolve the case at mediation, then you end up in trial. So typically, if you can't resolve all the issues between you and your spouse, you're going to have a contested divorce. But if you can agree on the issues, an uncontested divorce is easier, cheaper, and much faster and less stressful than a contested divorce. Again, always speak to an attorney about your options, but these are kind of the differences and some things to think about when you're considering the divorce process.